Hey everyone, in this video we'll show you how to combine your AI generated images with Freepik's design tools to create very stunning professional visuals perfect for social media branding or marketing projects. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by going to a browser and going to freepik.com for that, and log in if you're not logged in, or create an account at the moment, which is very free and easy to make. After you do so, you can go over to the image generator of Freepik, or you can directly head over to freepik/AIimagegenerator.com. That should directly open or head you over to this page where you can go over and generate your AI image. So here in this section, we need to type in prompt from which, if we click on generate, our images will be created, the results that you're looking for. So here, type in your prompt first of all, and do so. Something like this. You can just go over and type in the prompt of the AI image that you would like to apply up. After that, you can choose your preferred model. So for model, select model, and from there you can just go over and select up your model. For example, Mystic. If you want to create up a very realistic image, you can just go and choose it over. And once you apply it up, you can just go over and click on generate option. Once you click on generate, it should start creating up image. It may just take up to few seconds for the image to get ready and be published on your screen. So you can just go ahead and wait for that. And once your image is ready, you can just go over and open it up. Now that you've opened up the image, once your image is ready, you just need to go ahead and click on this option called edit image right here and open it up on your screen like this. Now here, that will open up Freepik powerful design workspace where you can customize, layer, and enhance your image. So here in this elements tab right here, what we can do is we can just go over and add shapes, icons, or illustrations that matches our thing. For example, you can place your product mockup or logo or brand graphics over your AI image. So you can go over and type in prompt, or even add a visual by adding annotations by clicking on the image. So you can just go over and do so. So for example, let's say we would like to add up a prompt. So you can just go ahead and add it up. Let's say something like this. So right now I added my name as a logo here. You can adjust it, add different kind of visuals, like where you would like to place it and everything. After that, just go over and click on save once you're okay with the changes. After you do so, you will just go over and apart from that, you can just go over and adjust, like apply filters and adjustments. Go over to this adjust option right here, and you can add in colors, exposure, contrast, etc., your color, tint, rotate, etc., even some presets, and you can tweak brightness, contrast, saturation, etc., to blend it naturally. Once you're done, you just need to go over and click on this export option at the top and click on it. And after you do so, you can click on this download option and choose your format, PNG for transparent, backgrounds, or JPEG for standard designs. And now your AI image and design are perfectly combined into one masterpiece. So that is how you combine AI generated images with Freepik's design tools to create stunning visuals in minutes. So if this video was helpful, hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to give. And also, thank you for watching this video.